Class 2, English 1, Chapter 9, Comparisons, Part 3. Topics for today are exercise, let us write, given on page number 37, and review exercise E, given on page number 39. Children, we are about to complete this chapter on adjectives or then describing words. These are the describing words which are used for comparing two things for their quality, for their shape, for their size, for their color, for their number. So when we compare something or some people, we use these describing words, and these describing words are little different from the describing words we learnt earlier. Why? Because these are used to compare something or some people. So that is why we use these describing words in a different way, slightly different way. Like when we say fast runner, we use the same fast describing word with the spelling change, like faster than. Why? Because we are comparing two people, like Amit runs faster than Ayush. So here I am using this describing word in a different way to show the comparison, right? So let us do this exercise given on page number 37. Let us write. You can write whichever thing you want to describe these sentences, these incomplete sentences. I have given some written some answers for you. If you know, if you can do it yourself, you can give your own answers also. You have to do these two exercises in your copy. That is your homework. So let's start begin to do this work. What's the instruction? Write these sentences using these describing words. Add naming words of your own. So the describing words are given. It is written in comparison. So you have to add the naming words which would make some sense to these describing words. So what are the describing words given here? Let's read one example given here. A mouse is shorter than a cat. So here the two naming words are mouse is being compared with the cat. How is a mouse? Mouse is shorter. Cat is also short, but it is shorter than, mouse is shorter than a cat. So there is a comparison, being the quality short is being compared between, used to compare these two naming words. So now let's do the same kind of comparison with the blanks given here. Number 2, dash taller than dash. So you can say this tree is taller than that tree. So here the two naming words, this tree and that tree. So you can say mango tree is taller than a banana tree. Like that you can say. So there are so many examples which you can make, but the meaning should not change. The word tall, the describing word tall has to be used properly. Number 3, a computer is bigger than a mobile. So the describing word here used to compare is bigger. So which is bigger? Computer is bigger. So I say a computer is bigger than a mobile. Dash longer than dash. So I say my hair is longer than hers. So this is how you have to compare two naming words using the comparative form of adjective. When we use the describing word with er and a word then that describing word becomes a comparative describing word. That is why the chapter name comparison is used, because here everything is about comparison, comparing two things, right? So now let's do one more review exercise to check our understanding on describing words when we describe only one thing and when we describe a thing and compare with another thing. Now underline the describing words in these sentences. Number one is such a tall tree. So here what is being described? Tree. How is it described? As tall. So tall is a describing word. Number two, I want a square cake for my birthday. So here the naming words are cake and birthday. So what shape of cake I want? Square. So square is a describing word. And whose birthday? I am talking about my birthday. So here my is also a describing word. Now the third one is the old man has a wooden stick. So the naming words in this sentence are man and stick. How is the man? Old. So old is a describing word. How is the stick? Wooden. What is it made of? Wood. So it is wooden is an adjective. So the describing word. Adjective means describing word. It is describing the stick as made of wood. So the old and wooden are the describing words of this sentence. Number 4, I cannot lift the heavy stool. Here, where are the naming words? Stool is the naming word. How is this stool? Heavy. It is describing this stool as very heavy. So heavy is the describing word. So underline that. Number 5, the yellow book is on the table. So where are the naming words in this sentence? Book is a naming word and table is also a naming word. So now we can see book has been described as yellow. The color of the book is given here. So yellow is a describing word. But when we see check table, is there any word used to describe the table? No, we don't see any description. So there is no describing word for table. So there's only one describing word for question number 5. Number 6, a cheetah runs faster than all the other animals. So here the naming words are cheetah and animals. What is being talked about this cheetah? It is being compared here. See, faster than. The quality of cheetah here being discussed is fast running of the cheetah. How it is being compared with other animals. So the other it is being compared with the other animal. Cheetah is one animal and it is being compared with other animals. So two things are talked about, and the quality that is used to describe these two animals is faster. So faster is the describing word. Number 7, iron is heavier than wood. So the two naming words are iron and wood. So here these two naming words are compared. For what? For heavier, for being heavy. So the heavier word here is a describing word and it is used in the comparative form. That is why it is heavier than. So underline the word heavier. Number 8, my toy is bigger than yours. Here the naming words are toy car and that's it. Yours is used in the form of pronoun. It's not the naming word. So here my is the adjective. Whose toy? Toy car. My toy car. And the quality that is being discussed here is bigger. So again it is used in the comparative form. It is being compared with two things, my toy car and your toy car. So that is why it is in comparison form. The describing word is in the comparison form. That is why it is not big, it is bigger. So I hope children you have understood the difference between the two describing words. One form is a positive form where there is no description, no comparison, where we don't use than word. But when we are comparing, when we are talking about the quality of two things, which one is better or which one is bad, so in such case we use the comparison form or the comparative describing words. So that's all for today, children. Do these two exercises in your copy neatly and read the sentences as many number of times as you can. Take care.